In the last vocabulary lesson on using context to guess meaning, we learned about how grammar can help us learn the meaning of new words. Today, we will focus on a special group of words, transitions. When we use the word transitions, we are really referring to three different groups of words. They all carry meaning, but their grammar is a bit different. Let's look at each group separately, learn about them, and look at some examples. The first group is called coordinating conjunctions. These small words connect two small sentences or independent clauses grammatically into one sentence, and also gives meaning as to how the two independent clauses are related. And means that the two independent clauses are similar. But means that the two independent clauses carry opposite meanings. Or connects independent clauses that give you two different choices. And so connects independent clauses that have a cause and effect relationship. These coordinating conjunctions always come between the two independent clauses, usually with a comma in front of the conjunction. Let's look at some examples. As you read the example, look at the new words, gender parity. Try to find the coordinating conjunction, the meaning of the conjunction, and any key words that can help you. Can you guess the meaning of gender parity? Ethiopian Prime Minister Ahmed values the importance of gender parity, so he appointed a cabinet with 10 men and 10 women. Let's look at the example again. The coordinating conjunction is so. It shows cause and effect. There are other keywords in the sentence as well. Value, importance, 10 men and 10 women. Can you guess that gender parity means equal numbers of men and women? Let's listen to the next example. The new word is ratified. As you listen, try to find the coordinating conjunction, the meaning of the conjunction, and any key words that can help you. Then guess what you think the word ratified might mean. Listen to the example. The Maputo Protocol, African Charter on Human and People's Rights, adopted 15 years ago by the Commission, and Ethiopia has now ratified the protocol. Let's listen again. The Maputo Protocol, African Charter on Human and People's Rights, was adopted 15 years ago by the Commission, and Ethiopia has now ratified the protocol. Now read the sentence as you hear it. The Maputo Protocol, African Charter on Human and People's Rights, was adopted 15 years ago by the Commission, and Ethiopia has now ratified the protocol. Did you find the coordinating conjunction and? It means that the second sentence will have a similar meaning as the first. Did you find the key word adopted? Using these clues, you can guess that if something is ratified, it is adopted as official or as law. End of part 1.